In this video, we're going to be dividing with negative numbers. Let's start by dividing a positive number by a positive number. So let's look at 10 divided by 5. We know that 10 divided by 5 is 2. This is the same as saying positive 10 divided by positive 5 equals positive 2. We don't usually write the positive sign in front of a number because we just assume it's positive unless we're told otherwise. But for this video, I'll be using the positive symbols to make everything really clear. So when we divide a positive number by a positive number, the answer will always be positive. Now let's look at what happens when we divide a negative number by a negative number. So now we have negative 10 divided by negative 5. When both numbers are negative, the negatives cancel each other out. So the answer will always be positive. So negative 10 divided by negative 5 is positive 2. Now what happens when we divide a positive number by a negative number? Positive 10 divided by negative 5 equals negative 2. So a positive divided by a negative will always give you a negative answer. Now let's look at the opposite, dividing a negative number by a positive number. Negative 10 divided by positive 5 equals negative 2. A negative divided by a positive will always give a negative answer. So let's bring all that together. A simple way to remember is that if the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. So 2 positives will give you a positive, and 2 negatives will give you a positive. But if the signs are different, the answer will be negative. So a positive divided by a negative, or a negative divided by a positive, will always give you a negative. I'm going to work through 6 different examples. Feel free to pause the video at any time if you'd like to try these yourself before we go over the answers. Here's the first example. Negative 35 divided by positive 5. First, let's just ignore the signs and do the calculation. 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Now let's look at the signs. The signs are different, so the answer is going to be negative. So the answer is negative 7. Here's the next example. Negative 36 divided by negative 9. First, we'll ignore the signs and just do the calculation. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Now let's look at the signs. Both numbers are negative. The signs are the same, so we get a positive answer. So the answer is positive 4. Here's another example. Positive 56 divided by positive 7. Let's ignore the signs to start with. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Now let's look at the signs. Both numbers are positive, which means the answer is also going to be positive. So the answer is positive 8. Here's the next example. Positive 80 divided by negative 10. So we're ignoring the signs first. 80 divided by 10 equals 8. Now let's look at the signs. One number is positive and the other is negative. Since the signs are different, the answer is going to be negative. So the answer is negative 8. Here's another example. Negative 28 divided by negative 4. Ignore the signs to begin with. 28 divided by 4 equals 7. Now let's look at the signs. Both numbers are negative. As the signs are the same, the answer is going to be positive. So the answer is positive 7. Here's the last example. Negative 24 divided by positive 3. We'll ignore the signs to begin with. 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Now let's look at the signs. One number is negative and the other is positive. Since the signs are different, the answer is going to be negative. So the answer is negative 8.